Hey everyone, it's Dr. Shopovick, and today we're going to be briefly reviewing the new Widex Allure hearing aid. Before I show you the new one, this is what the older model looked like. It was called the Widex Smart RIC. This is what the charger looked like, and then it was a unique looking hearing aid. Kind of looks like a boomerang, very slim, and has this curve at the top. And then this is their new Widex Allure hearing aid. So the charger looks a little bit smaller, and then the shape has also changed. So it's not as curvy as their older model. And there are some significant improvements with the Allure hearing aid. The first one would be the enhanced sound classifier in the hearing aid. So the hearing aid is going to be working more automatically for you and making changes accordingly based on what environment you're in. So that has been a wonderful improvement. Another improvement for this, I would say, is the feedback manager. So if you wear hearing aids, you probably have had feedback before where you hear a loud, high-pitched squeal coming from the hearing aid. This part of the software for Widex has been improved, so we're able to give the patient more volume without getting that high-pitched squealing noise. Another improvement would be their impulse sound reduction. So any impulsive sounds will be reduced a little bit better, like a slamming door. So I thought that was a really cool improvement, along with their noise reduction. So when you're in a noisy setting, that noise reduction feature is going to be a little bit more aggressive. And then the last improvement I would say is their soft noise reduction. So I think of soft noises like a fan or the refrigerator humming. Those sounds won't be as intrusive or loud as previous models before have been. So those are some of the features that have been improved. And then on the other hand, there's two drawbacks. So two features that are no longer in the Widex Allure, one of them being the Zen therapy. So Zen therapy was a program on previous models where the patient can click on their tinnitus Zen therapy, and then it would play a masking noise, a really peaceful, relaxing sound to help drown out their tinnitus. Unfortunately, that is not in this new model, but who knows, maybe there will be an update for that in the future. And then the second feature is missing is remote programming. So for previous models, we were able to do remote support sessions. For this new Widex Allure model, it has not come out yet. Again, maybe that's something that will be added in the future, but for right now, we are unable to do remote programming and support for the new Widex Allure. Well, that was kind of a brief overview of the new model. And if you have any questions or are curious to know more about it, you can call our clinic at 919-256-2898. Thank you all for joining, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.